Hi there! In this video, you will learn about how to bulk delete users' email aliases from Google Workspace using X-Fanatical foresight. As organizations expand, managing and maintaining email aliases can become challenging, especially when users change roles, leave the organization, or when aliases are no longer relevant. Manually removing aliases for each account through the Google Admin Console is not only time-consuming but also increases the risk of oversight and inefficiency. That's where X-Fanatical foresight comes in. Instead of removing aliases one by one in the Google Admin Console, you can quickly clean up outdated or unused aliases across many users all at once with X-Fanatical foresight's simple interface and powerful automation. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into X-Fanatical foresight with your Google Admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search for Bulk Delete User Email Aliases from Google Workspace and click on it. In the Bulk Delete User Email Aliases from Google Workspace page, click Copy Rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Bulk Delete User Email Aliases from Google Workspace will display. Click Next. The rule is auto-configured. No configurations required. Click Review. In the review screen, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions demonstrate how X-Fanatical foresight automates the bulk deleting of the user's email aliases from Google Workspace. Go to the Templates page. Search Bulk Delete User Email Aliases from Google Workspace and click on it. Click on the Download Sample CSV File button. In the downloaded CSV file, delete the sample data from the primary email and email aliases columns. Then enter the actual primary email and the corresponding email aliases you want to delete from the users. Go to the Rules page. Click on the Upload button of Bulk Data Transfer between users in Google Workspace rule. Select the CSV file to upload. Wait for the CSV file to be processed and receive a notification in the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task X-Fanatical foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. Sign in your Google Admin Console and verify that the automation has successfully deleted the email aliases for the users. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.